Well, I finished the little bracelet and I thought I'd share it with you. Now, I had started with this chunkier chain and that just wasn't going to work out. So I redid it. And this chain's a piece of crap. I'm going to tell you that right now. I can't even sell this. These links are so weak. They come apart. And so it'll just be a decorative piece I'll put in my Valentine display for the year, because I wouldn't want to sell this because I've had these links come apart. And I'm going to go through it with a fine-tooth comb and tighten them up, but it's just, they weren't good blanks. And I kind of knew it when I bought them. But, you know, I'm going to go back to only using my closed chain, which, where is my piece of closed chain? Oh, here. This is closed chain. And this is a nice sturdy chain. And this is what I used to buy in blanks. Well, a blank is a piece of chain with a clasp. And I'm just going to cut this to length and put my own clasp on it for the red one. So I can't sell it. I'd hoped to sell it, but nope. So it'll just be a pretty piece I keep, because I would be horrified if somebody had it on and it broke and fell off and got damaged. And then they don't have a way to fix it. It's just not worth it. So I'm really happy with how my work turned out. It's just I used an inferior piece of chain. I used this cute heart clasp. I've got a few of those. And each one's like a different earring. And I just really am happy with how the beadwork came out. I'm just not happy with this particular chain. I had the whole clasp come off a minute ago in the first link. And I had to fix that. So I'll go through and tighten each link in case I want to wear it. But yeah, the red one I will use the closed chain and instead of this stuff. And I guess I'll only be able to use these for very lightweight things, not full charm bracelets. And I made the earrings out of one of my favorite beads that I put on here. And then these were really high quality. I don't remember what I paid, but they were nice quality beads. And that'll go in my pink collection, because I'm going to make myself some pink earrings. And I'll do a little video after I do 5, 6, 7, maybe even 8 little pink earrings. I'll do a little video showing you those. And I'm going to do the red bracelet next. But I thought before I put away the pink, I'll go ahead and make myself a few earrings. I'm wearing pink again today. My shirt's all bunched up. But I'm wearing pink again today. And I love to wear my pink shirts. I have about 5 of them. But no real good solid pink earrings. They all have different colors in them. So I'm going to try to give you a little better look at all the different charms I used. Some are stone, some are glass, some are lamp work. There's a couple right there. Some are stone, some are fiber optic or cat's eye, that one there. I put a little crystal on that charm. Some are, is this one stone? I can't remember. I can't remember if that's stone or plastic, but if there's any, that's stone there. That red one there, I believe, is stone. And then the rest are pretty much glass. A few crystals worked in as well. And some metals. I just have so much fun. I used 30 charms on here. That's like making 15 pairs of earrings, but you only have to make one. The first one's always the most fun. So anyway, that's my bracelet. I'm very pleased with how it came out. And I'll do a few pairs of earrings, share those with you in just a little short. And then I will start making the red bracelet. After that, I've got some other fun projects I want to do. And then I'll come back and do some other styles of beaded jewelry for Valentine's Day. So I'll be back soon. Bye.